In our digital age, the rise of cyberbullying poses a significant threat to the well-being of teens, requiring urgent attention and proactive solutions. To tackle this issue effectively, a multifaceted approach is necessary. Firstly, education plays a pivotal role. Teens need to be educated about the severe consequences of cyberbullying, both legally and emotionally. Workshops and seminars in schools can elucidate the impact of online harassment on victims, fostering empathy and discouraging such behavior. Understanding the legal repercussions can act as a deterrent, encouraging responsible online conduct. Secondly, creating a supportive environment is crucial. Encouraging teens to report instances of cyberbullying and promoting a culture of empathy and solidarity can significantly mitigate the problem. Schools and social media platforms should establish easy-to-access reporting mechanisms, ensuring swift action against perpetrators. Additionally, empowering bystanders to support their peers can break the cycle of harassment, fostering a sense of community and safety. Lastly, integrating digital citizenship education into the curriculum is essential. Teaching teens about online ethics, responsible social media usage, and the importance of respecting others' privacy can instill a strong sense of digital responsibility. By nurturing a generation of responsible digital citizens, we can create a safer online environment where respect, empathy, and kindness prevail. In conclusion, addressing cyberbullying demands a collaborative effort from educators, parents, and online platforms. By educating teens about consequences, fostering a supportive atmosphere, and promoting digital citizenship education, we can pave the way for a more respectful and empathetic online community, ensuring the well-being of our youth in the digital age.